currently 5 a.m. and I'm getting up. All right, y'all. Just woke up, did the bed. Let me put her in her place. Just woke up, did the bed, about to go wash my face, brush my teeth, take these out. Come on, let's go. Come on. Done.
I stood there wondering what was next. Then I suddenly remembered that
It's time to get dressed, but that's a whole separate video. You don't get to see that. Hello, everyone. I know you're ready to see me get dressed. I'm never going to start these videos in underwear. Don't be weird. I start these in pajama jams. Okay, what we're going to wear today? I have decided already on what shoe I want to wear. Come on, come with me. Okay. I want to wear these shoes, and because I want to wear these shoes, I gotta find a proper pair of, well, not a proper pair. I have to find a shirt to go with this. So we're about to be on the hunt. Out of those shoes, I have a whole bunch of white shirts. This one looks a little bit too dingy for me to wear, so I'm not going to wear that one. This one is my top pick right now. This one is looking like the one we're wearing, and then I'm going to layer it with this top right here. And this was one of my top options, but I don't think that's going to happen. And also, this was one of them, but this is also not going to happen. So this is what we're wearing today. This is a little PSA. This whole video, I have been extremely ashy. Be sure to put on lotion before you put on any type of clothing, before you do anything else. Put on lotion. This is going in both videos, by the way. Rub, place. Rub back into your hands. Yep, get between them crevices. I be looking at you guys' hands. They be ashy. You do not want to be ashy, okay? Just like that. Make sure you're distributing the moisturizing agent across all of your skin that is visible. Well, I would say do all parts of your body. You know, you might not have the time for that. I understand. Very busy girl, but take time to do that. All right, y'all. These are the pajamas. These are the pajam jams. This is what I'm wearing right now, currently. Now, for this hair, girl, I don't know. We're going to pull it down. I mean, we're not going to pull it down, but we're going to take it down. I'm actually tugging at it, so let me chill. This is my hair. God allowed me to grow it. Be grateful. Hey, here is that cute little wavy look. I actually really love it like this, but I feel like something's missing from my head, so we might have I should really like it like this, but it's kind of giving plain Jane. Okay, y'all, this is really off-white, but is that cute enough to be a headband?
It's just okay. They know I'm you.
Thank you for coming to this video of me waking up at 5 a.m. to get ready. Somehow, some way, I'm still running late, and my hair ain't even really tea, but I still slay the day. This day doesn't slay me. All right, bye, my diva. Bye. Thank you for coming to my morning routine. And if you're from the OTTD video, thank you for coming to my OT.